Despite our relatively small size, Jamaica has produced many individuals that have impacted global history. Many of these Jamaicans have excelled in areas such as sports, music, business, or politics. In 2017, a Jamaican woman, Violet Moss Brown, created history in a different way. She was certified then as the oldest living person on the planet and the fourth oldest person in history. She died 5 months after a brief illness on September 15, 2017. She was 117. At the direction of the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Babsy Grange, a storyboard of her life was erected in her Duanvale Trelawny hometown in September 2021. Born in Duanvale Trelawny, Mrs. Violet Moss Brown was in 2017 the verified oldest living person in the world and the fourth oldest person in history. The super centurion died on September 15, 2017. The heavens smiled, providing a light shower at the unveiling ceremony of a storyboard on the anniversary of her death.
She was one of those special persons who was a part of a special club. Not many people get a chance to be a part of. As a centenarian.
Yes, yes.
And that is very important.
Thank you. I know.
And when the minister decided to do this and inform me about it, I was very happy.
Yes.
Because I immediately understood the value of what has been done.
Right, right.
Today we are choosing to immortalize her.
Yes.
So that her life, her story,
yes,
can live on and on and on throughout this community. And we can use this as a benefit for the community as well, going down the line. Who knows?
Yes.
You know, we can probably use it as an attraction, Minister.
Yes, yes.
And I just want to thank the Minister for what she has done. Because I believe a society is measured by how we treat our
elders, yes.
And so thank you, Minister, again.
At a later date, we will have an appropriate function. At this time, because of the pandemic, we cannot have a function. And that is why the actual bust is ready. If you notice, this is it. It's a photo of it. It's ready to be installed.
And we are proud of that.
To be mounted here. But because we can't have the function at this time, we have decided to just put up the storyboard on our passing, the anniversary of our passing. And in doing so, we will continue to commemorate her memory and to memorialize her.
In an increasingly virtual world, the can't miss storyboard erected in her hometown of Duanvale Trelawny grabs and keeps the attention of all who sees it. The compelling storyboard uses both words and visuals for maximum impact.
We want to keep this history alive, and I want to say that thanks to the family for allowing us this great opportunity.
I have instituted the Violet Moss Foundation in order to keep her legacy of her memory alive.
At her passing, the super centenarian's body was reportedly donated to the University of the West Indies, Mona, for research.